Hey, good afternoon, Riley from McNaught here, and I'd like to show you our 2013 Cadillac SRX luxury all-wheel drive. What a great luxury family crossover here offered by Cadillac. A little bit over 105,000 kilometers, but let me tell you this, clean car proof, never been in an accident before, so you could expect plenty more years of life left in this vehicle. Under the hood, you're going to find a 3.6 liter V6 engine pushing plenty of power to all four wheels. Great acceleration in this vehicle, but not only that, you're going to have excellent highway fuel economy. On the front end, you've got your front parking sensors, 18-inch alloy wheels with basically brand new all-season tires, so you don't have to worry about replacing those tires anytime soon. Proximity locks on all four doors, so you could lock and unlock as long as the key fob is in your pocket. On the back end, you've got the LED taillights, dual exhaust system, parking sensors, and power lift gate, of course, is another great feature. Now, in terms of cargo capacity, you've got plenty of room back here to fit whatever suitcases you've got. Cargo cover to keep your items hidden, and a cargo rail to keep everything nice and secure in the back. Now, if you lift up this tab, you've got access to your full spare tire, as well as these seats do fold down nice and flat if you need more room back here. Now, moving around the other side, we'll take a quick look at all four wheels just to show you the condition. You've got the roof rails on the top for style. And there you go, you have that other wheel down there. This vehicle is in great condition. And last thing I want to mention is you do have remote start. Now, taking a look inside the Cadillac SRX, you've got the jet black leather interior. Really nice and clean. This vehicle just came out of detail, so it's in like new condition. You've got the heated front seats, fully power adjustable with lumbar support and your driver's memory seating. On the left here, on the door panel, you've got wood grain trim, power adjustable side view mirrors, one touch-down windows, power lift gate control, and your Bose premium audio speakers. That system sounds great in this vehicle. Now that we're inside the SRX, some of the features you're going to find on the steering wheel itself include the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel option. Really nice in the wintertime. You've got forward collision alert, cruise control, and hands-free calling for a Bluetooth-equipped device. You've got your volume controls and radio selection on the left-hand side here, as well as your 5-point command center, which is going to help you configure that center digital dash display here. You could configure that however you'd like. If you want the speedometer on there, or if you want your oil life, your tire pressure, basically whatever you want, you're able to configure that to your taste. Now, moving on over to the right-hand side, you're going to find your 8-inch touchscreen display, the Cadillac Q system, with your Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth phone pairing, and full navigation ready to go. You've also got climate controls here from the touchscreen, easily accessible, as well as your hard climate controls down below with the front heated seats. Now, a hidden storage compartment is accessible using the sensor underneath the panel. That's going to open up and reveal a USB charge outlet. Of course, you've got plenty of storage down here. Your gear selector has a manual mode if you want more control over your transmission. And putting the vehicle into reverse is going to activate your backup camera. And you've also got those parking sensors I was talking about on the front and back. That's going to light up, alerting you while you're trying to park. Electronic park brake, lane departure warning, parking sensors, and eco mode to save some money on gas while you're driving down the highway. You've got a two-way center armrest that opens up, revealing some USB ports, SD, and auxiliary. As we move on up, you've got the auto-dimming mirror with the OnStar buttons and your slide and tilt sunroof controls. And take a look at this panoramic sunroof that reaches all the way into the back. The front portion is going to slide, and the rear portion is just fixed glass, but let me tell you, it lets lots of natural light in the cabin. Now, in terms of legroom in the back seat, you've got plenty of room for 3 adult passengers. The seats do fold down nice and flat, as well as you have a nice armrest here with some storage and access into the trunk. Climate vents for your comfort, as well as a charge outlet to keep yourself plugged in on those long road trips. So overall, if you're looking for an affordable family SUV, Cadillac SRX is a really reliable choice. You're definitely going to enjoy that all-wheel drive system in the winter months and the great fuel economy from that 3.6 liter. So if you're interested in this unit, visit us at McNaught, and our sales professionals will help you out.